The Master's in Healthcare Administration program is CAMI accredited, which is the gold standard for healthcare management education programs. Our program is very focused on ensuring that in every single class, you are doing your case studies, doing your projects, all of your examples are specifically related to healthcare. And that's really important if you know you have been or you will continue to be working in the healthcare industry. You're really going to get that highly specialized knowledge and really focus on the peculiarities of working in healthcare, working with managing not just employees in general, but doctors and nurses who have very specific needs and issues. Our program focuses on making sure that you're not just learning about business and society or ethics, but you're learning about healthcare ethics and the unique issues that come up in today's rapidly changing healthcare industry.